I feel so painful when a very big person like this just go like that. I hear one of the chairperson spoke here saying the man has fought for peace, and this is the very peace that we are enjoying right now. It is because of him. I hear my former chairperson of Lahibi spoke here, and he said, coin in court, the LRA rebel group commander called the man alone, and he spoke before them and said, if there would be peace, it would be because of LACAMBEL. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to give a recommendation in this council.
Please proceed.
That the all leaders of Acholi sub-region bring their aids together with the help of our RDCs and RCCs, so that we can push to the government, the top government, so that our fallen father be recognized highly.
That proposal is already made by the Mayor of Kitgum and supported or seconded by the Honorable MP.
I therefore now move in this council that as they have proposed and seconded by the MP, as the ex-officials of this council, now I'm a member of this council.
Yes.
I want to move it here.
Please.
That we take it up and follow it up so that our fallen father get all the necessary and befitting benefits of whatever he has done for this land. They should build for him a good house where his wives he has left behind can really feel that their husband has done something for them. I therefore request and I therefore move. Thank you very much.
Thank you, the Honorable